But coming back to implicit geometry and manifold, one of the great things about implicit geometry and signed distance fields and signed distance functions is that we can represent very complex structures very efficiently, because remember, it's just a function. So when you have a function, it's very different from having a surface representation like a triangle mesh, where you have to record the details of each and every triangle that is, mapping that very complex surface. So people are familiar with the headaches of large file sizes and processing
Yes.
time and all that stuff. And this is where implicit geometry really shines. You can both represent that geometry, but relevant to Metafold, we can also simulate it, and we simulate it in the same representation. So there's no need to take your implicit representation and tetrahedralize it and put it into a solver. We can do this all in one go. So metafold and implicit geometry more generally is a great way to understand the kinds of shapes that you want to produce with 3D printing.